Hello, my dear children. How are you all? Everyone is fine? Very good. Homework completed, no? Each and every students? Good. So today, first of all, we are doing capital cursive exercise. Okay. For this, I want you to open your capital cursive workbook, page number 2 to 22. Come on, open karo. Then, okay. Now put date. What is today's date? 23rd of October. Put today's date 23rd of October. Okay. Okay. Now pay attention. Okay. On this page, they have given the cursive capital letters A, B, C, D, E. Right. So here and here they have given in front of each and every letter they have given two pictures. Okay. What we have to do here? Here we have to match the picture with its letter. Match the picture with its letter. Got it, everyone? Okay, let's see. First letter. This is letter A. A says a, bat or apple. Apple. Very good. So you are going to circle the apple. Come on, circle it. Done. Okay, next. This is letter B. B says b, ball or axe. What will come? Ball or axe? No, axe is wrong. You have to circle ball. Come on, circle it. Done. Okay, now next letter. This is capital cursive C. C says k, dog. No, k, cat. Come on, circle karo. Okay, now D and E. Can you do it with yourself? Come on, tell me which picture you are going to circle. D says the cat. No, the doll. Come on, circle the doll. Okay, now last letter. This is letter E. E says A, egg. Egg, not drum. Egg. Okay, done, everyone? Okay, now page number 23 will be your homework. Okay, so you have to trace this letter A to E and you have to complete this whole page. Got it, everyone? Now turn the page. Page number 24 and we are going to do the letter F. Okay, now pay attention how they have written letter F. Okay, now to write letter F you have to start from here. Okay, a slight curve we have to write. We have to draw the slight curve. Okay, slight curve, slanting line, again curve. Slight curve, slanting line, again curve, and in between again one more curve. Got it? For F says for fish. Got it? Now let's trace the letter F. Ready, everyone? Okay. Come on, start with me. Okay, one curve, slanting line, half, again one more curve, and like this. Okay, one more F we are going to trace. See? One curve, slanting line, little bit curve, and again in middle one more curve. Okay, see, one more F we are going to trace. Yes, got it, everyone? Okay, now let's write this F in a blank line. Okay, I will show you. Okay, how to write. Okay, see, one curve, slanting line, again one more curve, and in between curve. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? One more letter I will show you. See, like this, slanting line, and this. Got it, everyone? Okay. The same you have to complete letter F, page number 24, 25. Okay. Are you able to do it? No. You have sufficient time. Don't get. Okay, students, you have sufficient time, so don't be hurry. This homework you are going to show me on Tuesday. Okay, so take your own time and complete your homework with your good handwriting. Got it, everyone? Okay, so let's go to the letter G. Okay, so let's see how they start. Okay, you have to start from this 1, 2, 3, third line. Okay, draw a slanting line. Draw slanting line. Like C we are writing. No, the same way we are going to write the C, and again C we have written, come down and like this. Got it? G says g. Okay, now let's trace this letter G. Okay, from which line we have to start? From this blue line. Start from this blue line, draw the C, Again come down to the red line like this. Okay, come on, start with me. Slanting line, letter C, come down, go up. Slanting line, come down. Got it, everyone? Now see how to write G in a blank line. Okay, come on, see. 1, letter C, come down. Got it? Again one more. Draw from the blue line, come down, go up, and like this. Got it? The same way you have to complete this whole letter G. Got it? Now one more letter we are doing, and we will do our Learn Well English textbook. Got it, everyone? Okay. Now see how to, this is letter H. H says her, hen. Okay, let's start with the letter H. We have to start from this blue line. Draw a slanting line from the blue to red line. One slanting line till one slanting line again we will draw. One more slanting line. Now let's see. Slanting line, come down to the blue line. One more slanting line, and this knot we are going to write. H says her, hand. Now let's trace the letter H. Okay. We have to start from this blue line. Okay. Draw one slanting line to the red line. One more slanting line. Okay. Again one more slanting line. Go up and like this. Let's trace one more H. Come down. One more slanting line and like this. Okay. Slanting line, come down. One more slanting line and like this. Got it? Now let's write this H in a blank line. Okay. See, we have to start from here. Draw one slanting line. Come down and again make a curve, slight curve. Okay, put some distance and draw one more slanting line. Okay, and make a notch. Got it? I will show you one more. Okay, start from here, blue line, draw one slanting line, come down till the blue line, make a slight curve, one more slanting line and make a knot. Got it, everyone? The same way you have to complete this page. Okay, and this homework I am going to check on Tuesday. Okay, everyone? So now I want you to open your Learn Well English textbook. Come on, open karo. Okay, open your Learn Well English textbook, page number 2828. Page number 2828. This is very interesting. Come on, students, you will enjoy. Okay, so now here they have given the different pictures: ball, banana, umbrella, dog, or you can say this is a dog also, you can say, and this is a pup also, you can write here pup also. Okay, dog, pear and bat. Okay, so here now what we have to do is we have to write the name of each and every picture, and we have to color the picture. Those words start with letter B. Got it, everyone? So now tell me, what is this first picture? This is a ball. So write the spelling of ball. B-A-L-L, ball. Come on, write. B-A-L-L, ball. Done. Spelling of ball. Okay, now tell me, this is a banana. Come on, write banana. What is the spelling of banana? B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Come on, write. Done, everyone? Now next picture is umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Right? U-M-B-R-E-L-A, umbrella. Now next, this is a pup. This is a baby of dog. So we can call it pup. P-U-P, pup. Come on, write pup. P-U-P, pup. Next, one more fruit. This fruit we call pear. P-E-A-R, pear. And the last picture, you know it. This is a bat. B-A-T, bat. Correct? Now what we have to do is we have to color those picture. Those words are starting with letter B. Now tell me, this ball. Ball, see the first letter of the ball. It is B. Yes. So you are going to color this ball. Okay. Put a tick mark. Which pictures you are going to color? You have to put a tick mark. Okay. Next. This is a banana. See first letter. Is it B? So banana also you are going to color. Umbrella, check the first letter. Is it start with letter B? No, so you are not going to color this umbrella. Next, this is a P. First letter is P. So Pup you are going to color? No. This is pear. Pear you are going to color? No. Now see, bat. See the first letter? Are you going to color this bat? Yes, this started with B. So you are going to color this bat also. Put a tick mark. Okay. Now let's come to the next. Okay. This is letter C. Now we are going to circle this pictures. We start with letter C. Okay. Now first of all we are going to name this picture. See the first picture, is it? Which picture it is? It is fish. So write the spelling of fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Come on, write. Next. This is what picture it is? Apple. What is the spelling of apple? A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Come on, write. This is cat. C-A-T. Cat. Come on, write spelling of cat. You know na spelling of this picture? Very good. Okay, next. This is cup. C-U-P. Cup. This is egg. E-double-G. Egg. And the last one, this is cake. C-A-K-E. Cake. Got it, everyone? Now, come on. Now, let's see which pictures start with letter C. Now, this is first word. See the first letter. This is F. F. Okay, so are you going to color this fish? No. This is start with apple. Start with letter A. So, are you going to color the apple? No. Now, see the first letter of the cat. C. See the first letter C. So, are you going to color this cat? Yes. Very good. Now, let's see. This is C. You pick up. So, first letter is C. So, you are going to color this cup. This is egg. Egg. Egg start with E, not C. So, you are not going to color this egg. And the last one, cake. See the first letter C. So, you are going to color this cake. So, put a tick mark. Okay, students. Now here you're not supposed to write this name in your notebook. It's okay. So your homework will be, you just have to color this picture. No need to write the spelling in your notebook. Got it, everyone? So this homework I'm going to check on Tuesday. Very good. Check on Tuesday. So be prepared with that. Okay. So till then, bye.